Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. In this video I am going to show you a really cool phone case for your iPhone 11. That's the particular phone I have, that's why I have the case for it, obviously. So I went to a store called Five Below. Everything is $5 and below, except for one thing that I bought, but that's for another video. So I bought this phone case here, and this was $5. And the one I got when I got my phone is starting to fall apart. The on the side here for the volume, right here, came apart on the case, not the phone. So I am going to open this up, and we're going to see what this looks like. Ooh, I like this. And as you can tell, they have a backing on here so you can see what the phone looks like. And on the back of my phone, I have the dual camera. I do not have the iPhone 11 Pro. The iPhone 11 Pro has that third lens in there. So we take this out, and it looks just like this. Now if you go, this is the cool part about this, right? You just slide up, put your card in there, and slide it back down. So before I put this on, what you want to do is you want to pull your phone out of the case. Careful not to bend your phone. Yes, you can do that. I almost did it once several years ago with a different phone. There we go. So this is the original case that I got. And right here, it's missing that. Now, unfortunately, the warranty on this, never get a warranty on these. Just get a new case. It's just easier that way. So, as you can see, before I put the new case on, I'm not sure if it shows up on camera, but you can see that there's dirt around the camera area. Now, you want to clean that off, because if you don't, it'll accumulate and accumulate and accumulate, and you could possibly start bending your phone. I have an iPhone 10, or iPhone X as they call it, and I didn't do that, and what happened was it started to bend. And also, another thing you got to watch out for is what happened was it started to bend, and when it opened it up, the battery started to puff up. Even though that can happen on this phone, that's a bad thing when it puffs out like that. So to prevent anything from happening, you want to clean it and get the dirt off. So how do you do that? So what you want to do, I'm going to put that down like that, is take some rubbing alcohol and a cloth. You can use Kleenex. Just be very, very careful not to get it around the ports or anything like that, because if it gets in there, it could do some damage, and you'll get the message saying, hey, there's water in the port, charging disabled, so it doesn't damage itself, which is a really nice thing, because my hands were sweaty one time, and I picked up the phone, and apparently when I picked it up, some of my sweat got in there, and it said charging disabled because it detected the water, which is a good thing. So what you do is, since you take this and you just go like this, wash sides. The bottom you don't need to worry about too much, because that's always facing down. Even though you can just lightly go across it like this, do not push. Let the dry part of it. There you go. So now what you do is take your phone, Put it in there just like that. Push down. And there we go. So now, if I have to go get something, get that. Snaps in. And you have to really push on it to get it to come up. That's a good thing because when I reach into my pocket and I grab my phone, if this popped out really easily, then that would be an issue. So now I have my volume back. Which is nice. I have the volume button back. Yes, there's a notification on my YouTube channel. Ironically, I'm filming a video for that. So you just go. You kind of got to give it a little bit of pressure, which is okay. Push down. Make sure it snaps in. It's not going to fly open on you. So anyway, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.